and welcome back to my channel. So this is gonna be a Diwali vlog. In between all the exam chaos and stress, I thought let's make a separate Diwali vlog because I did not want to include in that. So as you know, I'm stuck in college because we have our exams from 24th and Diwali is on 20th. So I could not go home and come back because वो feel exam वाला नहीं रहेगा and I'll be full on in festive mode. But I have ranted enough about how festivals away from home just don't feel the same. But life happens and so we move on. But we decided कि if we are in a hostel, we will give it a thoda festive vibe. So I think we'll go for shopping in some time. But as of now, I have ordered stuff from Blinkit. And also my friends have ordered, but we'll see first this and then we'll go to their room and we'll see what they have brought. I'll show you what I've got. So I ordered few things from Blinkit. Firstly, I ordered this candle. It's a pack of 6 and it's a scented candle. I wanted in raspberry also, but it was out of stock, so I could not get it. And then I have ordered this another candle. It's jasmine and lavender vanilla. It's a pack of 20 scented candles. I'll have to open it. It's pretty. It's pretty. And the fragrance is also very nice. We also have this decoration light. I wanted to put it here, like I'll show you later. So I just hope it's a good one. Yeah. We have fairy lights. And then we have a set of 2 flowers. We have a set of 2 flowers. This we are gonna hang on the entrance. And the last thing is this lotus petal. So when I'm at home, I've always seen my mom doing this. She always gets a lotus petal and वो भगवान जी के सामने रखती है. So I wanted to get this. I also have a new candle which I can show you. I got this in my birthday. Ashava gifted this to me. And I have not used this. But I will light this tomorrow. Now we'll go and start putting these because I'm really excited. And then we'll also go to my friend's room and see what all they have got. So we'll see you. So you need जुगाड़ in hostel for everything. तो हमारा फ्लावर अटकने like वो hang नहीं हो पा रहा था because of the weight वहाँ पे. So we have gotten this adhesive hooks and now we're gonna hang this and उसके ऊपर हम फ्लावर लगाएंगे. Let's go. We are done and it's looking so pretty. Thoda bahut festive vibes it's giving, okay? And puja is also done. Now we'll go and change the bed sheets because that's one thing I want to do. How is it looking, guys?
Very pretty.
अभी हम इनके रूम जाएंगे चेक करने की इन्होंने क्या करना है.
नहीं अभी हुआ नहीं, अभी नहीं हुआ, अभी let me complete first. से बाहर जाके चला
Now we are here for Diwali shopping. Now we are in Ashiva's room and उसने शॉपिंग के साथ तो कुछ ओवर बोर्ड ही चली गई है. उसने इतने दिए, एक और तरह के दिए, फिर लाइट्स. आई थिंक ये स्टार वाली लाइट्स है ना. आशा कब लगाएगी ये सब? स्टार लाइट, फ्लावर, तोरण एंड शुभ दीपा. कल वो रंगोली भी बनाएगी तो हम वो भी देखने आएंगे. ठीक है आशा? चल, this is all what she's got and we'll see you tomorrow what she does with this.
क्या कल जब रंगोली नहीं कराई हम आसपास पिक नंबर 2 फॉर दिवाली बाय बेटी ये फाइन फिट्री
Now Ashima is doing the decor in her room. Sara saman it's here. Ashima, how do you feel?
Let's fix it. Let's go.
Party time. No. So we are in Ashima's room doing the decor.
Sorry for this, guys. I'm gonna change this. Thank you.
Let's put these lights. Let's wash.
तुम लोग ग्रीट करने जाते हो, तुम्हारे घर पे लोग
Hello everyone and a very happy Diwali to all of you. So we have gotten ready, that's the fit. Now we'll go and do the puja and then we'll go and eat something because I'm not eaten. And my friends have made very beautiful rangolis. I'm going to show you that. I did not. I might. But for now we'll go and do the puja and I'll see you then. Bye. So we are all ready, the fit, and that's my rangoli. But I've not done my hair. I will do it in some time because I'm going for the aarti. And see you later. Hello you guys and a very happy Diwali to all of you. So we are done with the puja and now we'll go out and hum thode patake fodenge. Guys, but the one thing I've decided is this will be the last year I've missed Diwali at home because I can't. That is one thing I can't. I know how I have controlled myself, but at this moment I am very emotional that I'm not with my family. And it's just very emotional. I'm not gonna do this ever to myself. Diwali means home and I am going back home every Diwali, come may what, and that is one thing I have decided. So I'll see you outside and hope you have a great Diwali. Love you. Happy Diwali, guys, from me and mine to you and yours.
अच्छा गैंग के साथ अरेंज गैंग गैंग के साथ
We are at the health center. For the Diwali vlog. We'll see you in the next one. See you.